Hey, if you're a solo filmmaker and have trouble getting creative shots, shooting on your own because you don't have someone else behind the camera or following you with a gimbal, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you as a solo shooter how you can use some creative and dynamic shots using very simple gadgets that you can use straight away to elevate your footage to cinematic and professional. All right, let's jump in. So what equipment do we use? Here we can see that we have a little travel tripod. It's actually a selfie stick from Ulanzi. It has a nice wide base. It's very lightweight. It has a ball head, a 1/4" thread, and also it just pulls up and down to extend it. It also has a built-in phone mount, which is great. So it has all these features. The ball mount here, so you can adjust the level, attach a lightweight DJI Pocket or your phone or lightweight camera. I wouldn't use a heavy mirrorless camera, but it works great. It's very light and allows you to get to about 59 inches. And it simply just pulls up and pushes down to extend it. Now, I've got a wide lens on here on the DJI Pocket with an ND filter, which is always good for filming outside on a bright day. This allows you to keep your shutter speed twice your frame rate. Now try not to shoot selfies. This is that same tripod, and all I'm doing is keeping it set up quite high and just walking away from it. And then when I got to walk back towards it, you get a second shot because I got to walk back to the camera to turn the recording off. So try to use different heights. Here I've got it mid-height, putting an ND filter on, and this is the result. And in this shot, it's much lower. I'm just going to walk past it in the same sort of location. So again, getting different shots and different angles. So here we're on the beach, just setting the Pocket up on the bench and using the Mimo app and the tracking function so that it'll follow me as I walk across to this boat here. It's very early in the morning, no one's around, and the sunrise is coming up. So this allows you to have basically someone following you, which is the camera, without having to be another person. And here's the result. So choose the best time of day. This was perfect. It was sunrise. No one was around at all. And then you can set yourself up on the same tripod and basically get a bunch of different shots with no one around. And it's perfect lighting. And then take advantage of the day. As I was walking back to the room, I just did a video time lapse. So get creative with your angles here. The pockets at the top of the stairwell, and in the first clip here I'm just coming up And then the second one, I just moved it so it was closer and did it again. Here we're using the tripod with the bull head looking over the balcony. So looking through the balcony down to the floor. And then as you can see here, I put my bag on there just to keep it weighted a little bit. And also I use the phone with the Mimo app to use my framing. And here's the shot. And then I just turned to another balcony and did the same thing. Here I put the wide lens on and just looking straight down. This is me using the Mimo app again to set up the shot so I don't need to be wasting footage. And here's the final shot. Alright, this is part 1 and part 2 is coming very shortly. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe and comment, the usual stuff. And also check out this next video to help you on your filmmaking journey. I'll see you in the next one.